Hey guys, today I'm gonna start all my robot vacuums. So we're gonna start all my robot vacuums in the kitchen, and here is my LaFont Trinit 10P. I mean LaFont 210P, correct? Heidenheit's 881. iRobot Roomba i1. This G-Bot Osmo something is a GX5G. I didn't know that. So this is the L6 Pro, and this is one of our new ones. I never had this. This is the iRobot Roomba 805. And the coolest thing is it actually has a screen on it. It has a screen on it. So 3, 2, 1. Let's start them off.
Welcome to use our intelligent robotic cleaner.
Let's start them off. The iRobot Roomba 805 is the only one that uses random. I think in LaFont use also random, but they just act like they're smart because whenever they bump, they just turn and go forward. Can't locate, making new map. The bad part is the iRobot Roomba 805. It has a broken motor and a side brush. So I just took it all off, but the motor is still on. That's the new one. What is this? It's something wrong. In today's video, we're going to see which one picks up the most. LaFont doesn't actually not have a brush, so it's not going to actually do a very good job on the carpet. Now stop them all. I'll take the cliff sensors. This side. That one's actually very, very loud and very, very fast. This one also speaks Chinese. No. So let's see which one sucked up the most. Oh, this one sucked up a lot. So that's the iRobot Roomba 805. L6 has a self-empty, so sucks up nothing. It has a little bit on the filter. That's the L6 Pro. Let's see, I ruined the... Don't wash the filter.
Reinstall the bin. Then press clean.
Now this guy, which almost took nothing. Oh, it did suck up a little bit. Amazing T-Bot. A little bit. See Huggins. Nice. So the winner is going to be the Hyken Hikes 811. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.